Here's how to bar lace old school Vans. Begin by taking your lace, and what we're going to do is we're going to thread each lace end down into the two very bottom eyelets on either side from above like this. So just feed that one through, pop it out the way, swap back to the other one, and feed it down into the very bottom eyelet just like this as well. And before you pull everything through, just take a hold of the two lace ends, put them together, grab a hold of your Vans and pull that through. And what this will mean is they'll come out of equal length. If yours haven't, don't worry about it, just take a minute to sort that out before we carry on. Then we're going to take our lace, and what we're going to do is skip an eyelet on this side and instead go up into the third eyelet from the bottom, from underneath, just like this. Always making sure that we're just skipping that second eyelet there. Awesome. Then we're going to take the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side here to form a bar. Don't worry if you have any twists or turns, that's totally normal. That's fine. So we're going to pop that lace out the way and we're going to swap back to the other one here. And what we're going to do is we're going to fill in these two empty eyelets here. So we're going to take this lace end and we're going to come up into the one on this side from underneath. So pull it through. Then we're going to bring it over the sneaker tongue and we're going to fill in that empty eyelet here on the other side. So we're going to take this lace end and we're going to go down into that empty eyelet from above. And just pull that through. And you can really see our bar pattern starting to come to life. So now what we're going to do is keep a hold of this lace and we're going to thread it underneath this bar here, just so it has full range of movement. And we're going to repeat that pattern sequence again. So what we're going to do is we're going to skip this empty eyelet here and instead we're going to go up into the one above that from underneath like this, just like we did before, leaving one empty. Then we're going to take the lace over the sneaker tongue and down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side, making sure that we're leaving that one empty on that side as well. Then we're going to pop that lace out the way and swap back to the other one and fill in these lace eyelets here. So we're going to take the lace end up through the eyelet from underneath, just like this. Pull it all the way through. Bring it over and down into that empty eyelet here on this side. Fill it in. Looking good. Now we're really making headway with our pattern. Take that lace end underneath that bar there, just so we can start that pattern again. And we're going to go for it again. We're going to skip the next eyelet and instead go up into the one above that from underneath, like this. Pull it through, bring it over the sneaker tongue, down into the corresponding eyelet on the other side. Awesome. Pop that out the way. Swap back to the other lace and it's time to fill in the two empty holes. Bring the lace end up through this eyelet on this side from underneath. Take it over the sneaker tongue and down into the empty eyelet on the other side. Looking good. Now what we're going to do is I have one eyelet left on these Vans. You might have more or less depending on your shoe size, but when you get to the final eyelet, copy what I'm doing here. We're going to take the lace end underneath this bar, just like we've been doing. And obviously we can't skip an eyelet this time, we've only got one left to fill in, so that's what we're going to do. Take the lace end up through it from underneath, bring it over the sneaker tongue, down into the other empty eyelet on the other side, pull it through for our final bar. And you might be wondering, what are we going to do with all these excess laces? All you need to do is tie them in a loose knot and then slip them down inside your Vans. Then make sure that knot is hidden out of sight underneath the sneaker tongue and the laces are down inside your Vans. And what this will mean is your sneakers will just slip on and off without the need for tying them each time, and that little knot will hold the bar pattern in place. Repeat on the other shoe and you'll have a really awesome pair of bar lace Vans. If you found the info in this video helpful, please hit the like button for me to help it reach more people and consider subscribing for more sneaker lacing content. I have loads of videos available for you guys. Thanks!